Jaywaddap. Today, we're now here. You guys all been seeing it in the Facebook. We're now in Boracay. So it's exactly 8:55 Saturday. And our plan is to, check in first, and then we're going to eat breakfast. And, might take a little swim because it's getting afternoon. The sun is already rising, and I cannot believe we're going to do a lot of stuff. I hope we can do the activities today. Obviously, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I brought my GoPro so that we can, take some footage of what we're gonna do. So yeah, let's go. Free juice. I think their bathroom is so clean, so I'm gonna take a Anyways guys, I just got my Wi-Fi password correctly on the other side of the resort. Just had to, have to walk across a road to get to the other side, because actually this resort we had is in beachfront, so it will be a little hassle because we transferred to not really that close to the beach, because I think some of the resorts that are totally closed within 25 meters is not allowed, and it's measured based on the highest tide that has been done here in Boracay. First landed on Boracay, it was really amazing, but things change as they renovate the Boracay as a whole island for 6 months or half a year. So it's good for the tourists, but it's bad for those who are here, working for the resorts here. So they will take different routes, to earn money. So it's kind of bad, but I think it's a good improvement, and thankfully the island has gone better, to be honest. By the way guys, we ate Jonas and Obama before we actually vlogged, so yeah. The GoPro, so I can remove the stand there, sorry. My mom favored this singer because they really appreciate requests from their audience, and even though they're eating, so it's kind of really good when it comes to accompanying the guests. It's pretty fair if you're our first time taking a buffet here in Boracay, but if you're a quite buffet lover, this will not be good for you. And some of the food are actually good, and some of those are just enough to not have an upset stomach. So I wish they would add more selection on the dessert section, because they only have a chocolate ice cream flavor. I wish they would add vanilla and strawberry, you know, for those other people who want ice cream. So this would actually be perfect if you observe the other price range of food from the other restaurants here in Boracay. So this will be really awesome. By the way, the star of the night is crispy pork belly. Delicious. Especially with the liver sauce. Alright guys, that's it for today. And now let's go to the